Hello, you guys. We're going to be doing basic division, so stay tuned, okay? Hi, this is Wendy. We're back here with another video, and we're going to be working on division. The dividend is 12. The divisor is 4. And the quotient is the missing number. Dividend is a large number that is separated into smaller groups. The divisor is the dividend that the number is divided into. And the quotient is the missing number and also the answer. Okay, we're going to get into the problem right now, okay? Three, which is the divider, divided by 12, which is the dividend. And the quotient is the missing number. 3 can go into 12. How many times? It can go 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Which leaves you with a 0 remainder. And the answer is 4. You basically have to know multiplication before you get into the division, because 3 times 4 is equal to 12. We're going to do another question. How many times 2 can go into 18? 2 go into 18 9 times. This is going to be a 0 right here. It's going to be empty. So 2 times 9 is 18. You're going to subtract it. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. We're going to bring down to 6. Now you're going to say, how many times 2 can go into 6? 2 go into 6 3 times. Because 2 times 3 equals 6. As I mentioned before, it's better to have a better understanding of the multiplication. Because if you don't know your multiplication tables up to 12 times, you'll have complications of doing the division. So we say 2 times 3 equals 6. We're going to put a 6 here. We're going to subtract it. And you have a 0 remainder. The answer will be 93, which is the quotient. We're going to do another problem. 5 divided by 19. We're going to say how many times 5 can go into 19. 5 can go into 19 how many times? 5 times 3 is 15. We put the 15 down here. We make sure we subtract it. 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we are going to have a remainder actually. It's going to be 3 with a remainder of 4. So the answer is 3 remainder 4.